to blood type, you need to take your sample of blood and put a singular drop in each one of these little wells. Don't put too much or else it won't work correctly. And then you have your different agents to determine what it is. So we have A blood, B blood, and then RO, which is if it's positive or negative. So for this example, we're gonna figure out what it is based on these agents. So they're all labeled, like this one's A positive or A agent, B, and this one is the like negative or positive part of it. So what you do is you put 3 droplets of each one. So like this one's A, you put it in well A. So put 3 drops of the agent. For each one. So again, this one's B. Three drops of each. And then the positive or negative, 3 drops. And then you need to use a toothpick to mix them. You don't want to cross contaminate. So like once you dip one side into one, don't dip into the other. And you're gonna stir for 30 seconds looking for tiny small clumps. So I use that side of the toothpick. I can use the other side, this one. So whatever reagent it reacts to will tell us what blood type it is. So for this example right here, I know it might be a little hard to see, but do you see those tiny clumps? Sometimes you might have to pick up the tray and like gently move it. See those clumps right there? These ones got really watery, but there's nothing. So this means that this is B, because B is what's clumping. And then negative, B negative, because the RH factor did not clump. If it were to clump, that would mean it'd be positive. All right, so now we're gonna do the victim's blood type. You'd wanna wash that tray out, but for now I won't. And so we are gonna test the victim's blood type together. Again, 1 drop in each. And then you use the agents again, the anti-serums. And you put 3 drops in its respective well. So like A goes into A. 3 drops. Three drops. Three drops. And again, you're gonna get new toothpicks every blood type you test. This side wasn't used, so I'm gonna use this one. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Remembering to use a different side of the toothpick for everyone. You don't want to cross-contaminate. So looking at these samples, do we see any clotting? What do we think?